Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. It's a beautiful day out, so I figured we go on a hike today. So let's get going. A bit chilly here this morning, about 48 degrees, but we're on the Bronson trailhead starting back at Griffith Park, going up to the Hollywood Hills, and today we're heading to someplace really cool. So the trail we were at right now, at the beginning, was on Canyon Avenue where the Bronson Caves are located. Bronson Caves is a famous location down here where a lot of TV and movies were filmed, and I like that route better because not too many people during weekdays. One thing to keep in mind when you're hiking: always be aware of your surroundings, especially if you're alone, because you never know what's going to pop up, either wild animals or something. But also, take care of the trails. Don't leave any trash. Always take it with you and find a trash can along the way. Luckily, on this trail there are trash cans, so if you haven't guessed right now, we're heading towards the Hollywood side. So the trail leads off to a semi-paved road. This is for where emergency vehicles and park services need to use it. So be mindful once you get onto the paved area to stay off to the side just in case there is a vehicle on the road. But we're almost there. In the distance, Griffith Observatory, and then downtown LA. Then once you get to the end of the road here, there's a little trail that'll take you all the way up to the side. This is the one lookout. It's a good picture spot if you want to come here. Can't go any further from here, so we're gonna go back to where the dirt path from Canyon meets the paved road, and we're gonna go the other way and head towards the sign. Now if you're gonna walk in the back part towards the back of the Hollywood sign, you get a nice view of the valley here. Burbank, Glendale. There you go. You've seen the front and the back of the Hollywood sign. And now, back down to the car. Oh yeah, also, one thing to keep in mind when you're walking is be mindful of the horse poop. There's also horses on these trails that walk up and down, so you'll find them along the trails, but just walk around it. I love how it's all nice and green right now, but then by summer, a lot of it will dry out. Taking advantage of the beautiful scenery at the moment, and very grateful for today. Beautiful sunshine, great weather. Can't get any better. Alrighty friends, there you have it, our hike up to the Hollywood sign. Now the trailhead we used is the Brush Canyon trailhead located on Canyon Avenue, which I prefer compared to all the other streets as they have their own little designated parking area as well as entrance. Now some neighborhood areas may be a bit picky in terms of parking in their streets, so just be mindful of that as well. Now I showed you two ways to get up to the sign. You got the front way and the back way. I prefer the back way as you get a good 360 view of the city around you, downtown LA, as well as the valley. Now whichever way you decide to go, it is a 6-mile loop altogether and definitely worth it just to see the views. Hope you all give that trail a try one day, so let me know what you think. We do. And with that, we will leave it here. Thank you so much for joining me on today's hike. I hope you had a really good time. And if you want to see more just like it, please do give this one a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures just like this to come. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.